The principle of autocollimation is to have a light source, in this case an infrared LED, and a small pinhole, 500 microns. Underneath that you put a beam splitter and a collimating lens. When the light source is lit, the light will come out, go onto the beam splitter and come out at an angle, which then goes through a collimating lens and becomes completely collimated or parallel light. If we then put a reflector in its path, the light reflects down the same path and focuses on a distance, exactly the same distance as the pinhole, where we can now place a digital camera. Because it's a digital camera, we can then process the information coming back, and we see the pinhole as an image on the screen. If we then tilt the reflector, the pinhole will effectively move down on the screen, and we can put numbers to that. In practical terms, this is the Taylor-Hobson Ultra Autocollimator, and this points at a simple reflector. The principle is then that we can move the reflector along a reference straightness datum and see the deviation of that straightness as the angle of the mirror relating to the autocollimator changes.